Hello, 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 everybody. Monica here with Handmade Bay, back with Tips and Tricks Thursdays. And today what I'm going to talk about is black paper. Now, some of you, for beginners, you may not know that there is a difference between the black papers. And what it is the inside, or called the core. All right? So you might have bought paper and you assumed that it would be black all the way through on the inside, right? Actually, they're not all like that. So I just wanted to give you a little tip today. What you want to do when you're looking for paper is you want to look at the core information on it. Okay, solid core means it's black through and through. Okay, and the other one is, it will say white core. Okay, and let me show you the difference. Here is the white core paper, and you can actually tell from the side what it is. Okay, that it has that inside of it white. And this will make a difference depending on what you're doing with your paper. But here you go. So this is, if it says white core, then this is what it looks like, okay? Now the solid core will be black all the way through. Okay, and for some projects you want this instead of the white. Okay, so I just thought that would be something to let you know about. Now, if you get the white, it's not a loss. If you were like, oh no, I picked up the wrong one. You can do a lot of things with it. It can add, you know, if you rip your paper, you'll see that you get a nice edge, and you can use your stamps and just add some color with it and make like a gradient look on your page, which can look cool. I did gold with this one. Okay, or just leave it like that. But any color, you could take markers, you know, you can do a lot and get creative with it if it's not the paper you intended to use. You might not mind that. Here's a journal that I did, and I did not look at the paper that I bought. So I have the black like this, but you see the white shows on the edge. So if that doesn't bother you, you know, but like this one, I don't care for the white on the edge, so I'll probably just cover this with paper, you know, do a wraparound and fix that. Okay, so remember, buying black paper, look and see what your packaging says, white core or solid core. Okay, I hope this helps you. Okay, I will see you next time. Bye-bye.